Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. In today's video I'm going to be installing a wig, and this one is going to be from Wiggins hair, and I'm just going to go right on and jump into the box and see what we have here. So they sent me this little drawstring bag that I could keep the hair in when I'm not wearing it, and on the back of it have all their contacts that you can find them, social media, and so on and so forth. They also sent me this little edge brush with the wig, also this elastic band for tying the edges down, and I got some lashes of course, and I also got this HD wig cap with two pieces in it. So on the bag that the wig came in, it has some details about the wig, which the hair density is 250%, the cap size is small, and the wig is a 13 by 4 18-inch hair. Here is a quick look at what the wig look like straight out of the bag. It is definitely pre-plucked, and I'm gonna put it on my hand so you guys could see it. I absolutely love the way they pluck this wig. It looks so good and so natural. It's not pre-bleached, so I'm gonna have to add some foundation to it, and I'll show you guys how I do that. Look at the curls on this wig, guys. I had to hold it up to show it to you. I love the texture of it. It feels really good. It's so soft. It is not hard or anything like that, so that is really good. It has some clips in the sides of course, and I believe there's another one in the top, but there's also one in the back of it. And then it also have the elastic band, as you can see, to help to secure the wig onto your head. As you can see, I already did my ball cap, but I'm going to try the wig on just to see, first look at what it looks like, straight out of the pack to my head. So far it looks good, but I'm going to take it back off so I could add some foundation onto the lace to make it look even more natural. The foundation I'm going to be using for that is this one from CoverGirl. Now you can see the big difference with the lace of the wig now that I added the foundation onto it. Now I'm going to glue the wig on, so I'm going to use some clips to hold the sides back. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut the pieces of lace off that's hanging over my ears so I could lay the wig flat against my skin. To glue down my wig today, I'm going to be using the Almighty Bond by Kiss. After I apply it, I use my blow dryer to dry it down until it starts looking clear. Now that I'm satisfied with the way it's looking, I'm going to go ahead and pull the lace down on it. Then I'm going to go ahead and dry some more with my blow dryer. I then tied down with the elastic band that came with the wig. Now I'm adding some edge wax on it before I use my hot comb to lay down the hair around the parting. Now I'm going to go ahead and quickly cut the lace off. Now I'm going to go ahead and take out some sideburns and baby hair. To lay them down, I like to use mousse on it, so you can use mousse or edge control, whatever works for you, but I like to use mousse. Now I'm going to use the same elastic band to tie them down and leave them to dry. The next thing I'm going to do to the wig, which will be the final thing I do to it, is spray some water on it and then apply some hydrating cream also on it, just to moisturize the curls a little bit. Now that I've done that, I'm gonna go do my makeup and allow my hair to dry some more, and I will be back to show you guys the finished look. This is the finished look, you guys. I absolutely love it. One thing I really love about this hair is how soft it is. I mean, I could run my finger through it and no problem. I actually use my fingers to tease it instead of a comb, just to give it that full look to it, because after spraying the water on it, you know, it got a little bit more heavy and it was just laying kind of flat. So I use my fingers to kind of comb through it a little bit and give it that full body look that I'm going for. I'm actually looking forward to installing this hair again because I absolutely love it so much, and I really think that I could have done a better job installing it. So I'm gonna be installing it again in a few days, maybe not on camera, but I'm gonna definitely be wearing it again. Again, the hair is from Wiggins. All the information will be linked in the description box below, so please check that out if you're interested. If you have any questions, please make sure to ask them down in the comment box below, and I will get back to them as soon as I possibly can. If you find this video helpful, guys, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!